Okay, Lydia, they're doing a quick, they're doing a cleanup here. So I just thought I'd come through and take a look at all the touch-up that they've done. And so far it's looking really good. So all the places where there were any issues, like you can see all the lines along the floorboards have all been redone. So those look really good. Yeah, this looks super pristine. Yeah, really, really, really nice. We'll come in here and we'll go to the front bedroom. So that's mom's bedroom. And then here's the front bedroom. And again, they really went through and they cleaned up everything. It's great. So I don't see any problems with anything. I'm sort of looking around as I take you around, but I'm just looking down at all the corners, and they really cleaned up all this stuff. Now in the kitchen, we'll take a look at all the cracks that were there that they were going to take care of, and that should be easy enough. They're in cleaning right now. Hey, how are you? So you can see that this is all nice and tidied up as well. So all these spacers have been figured out. And yeah, it looks good. By the way, Mark Gutkowski, markgps.com. Everybody expects me to say that when they see me in a mirror. Here we are in the office area, and they've gone ahead, like they took the stuff off of the trim. There was they detailed that, so that's all done correctly. No cracks or caulking issues anywhere, so that looks really, really good. And so that's super nice. And then as I come over here, she's cleaning up in here, but I did notice the last time I was in, they took care of the paint that was over on there. That's gone, and the caulking along here is done correctly. That looks great. And now we're in the big main room. They're in the midst of cleaning. And so they redid this line here, so that's all nice and done. Oh, and they did it, you can actually see, they did it over there. So that's looking really good as well too. Yeah, that looks really nice. It's all clean and neat. There were some things that I think we had, like this before was rubbing, and that no longer rubs, which is a good thing, of course. And they've got, that was a crack along there. That's all taken care of. And then as I come into here, we had cracking along the edges because it's just the settling. And all of that has been cleaned up really nicely. Yeah, it just looks great. All this has been done and looks really good. So that's great. You know, Casey, of course, worked on this, but he's all work now, which is the way it's supposed to be. So that is good too. Let's head on over into the master. Oh, they have a big, they've been cleaning. They have a bunch of stuff here they're going to be throwing away. Yeah, this looks really good. Here's our door. So, door looks really nice. Oh yeah, that closes nicely now. It seems to be good. And I sort of remember that, well actually there wasn't a whole lot in this room. It's got the professional clean going on. We have this, which now is engaging the hot water, according to Casey, so that's good. And all this has been cleaned up and touched up. All the trim work looks really good. Like any of the trim work issues that we had before seem as if those have been taken care of. Even in here, edges along everything have been done. I think there was an area on the door that had a chip, and I no longer see that. So I would say visually we have success. They really did a nice job. It looks good, and I love that they're doing the professional cleaning on this. So, all right. So that's it. markgps.com for real estate in the desert. Happy to help out. And Lydia, it looks like we're looking really good. Okay, thanks a lot.